Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone is new or refurbished. So first, what you want to do is go to your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to general, then tap on about, then copy your serial number, tap and hold, then tap on copy, then go back, open up Safari, and just type in on your search bar, check iPhone coverage. Once you're done, tap on the check your device coverage right here. Wait for it to load. And just put your serial number right here, paste it. Tap on done. And tap on the characters right here for verification and stuff. Then tap on submit. Once that's done, you will see all the needed details to check. So the warranty, the coverage right here. As you can see, May 9, 2025. So it was bought May 9, 2024, since that's the day it was activated, or that's the day when you activated your iPhone. But if it's not that, it might be refurbished. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps reach more people. See you on the